Hello, fellow crocheters. Welcome to my channel. And yeah, this is me behind my all faceless crochet tutorials. I'm not usually in front of the camera, but let's do it different this time. So I have a really fun idea, which I want to share it with you today. It's 10 crochet gift ideas, which people would actually use. Instead of dropping your crochet masterpiece somewhere at the bottom of the drawer, they're gonna actually use it and wear it on a daily basis. So we will quickly browse through some Pinterest ideas, and I will share free YouTube tutorials according to those Pinterest inspos that you could make it right away. So let's jump right in. First, our bag charms and keychains. They never fail. They are so adorable, quick to make, and people literally put them on anything like backpacks, bags, keys, or even emotional support water bottles. And the cool thing is, you can customize those bag charms to match the person. For example, initial letters, smiley faces, flowers, or even little amigurumis, little animals. So, and they take basically just like one TV show episode. So fast. And here it is, a few tutorials which I found on YouTube, and I will link the links down in the description so you will find everything there. So I think they are super cute and really match the Pinterest inspo ideas. So let's move to number 2, which is really similar to the first one, but slightly different as well. It is luggage tags. These are kind of bag charms, but perfectly adjusted for the frequent travelers. So if you have people in your circle who likes to travel and they are traveling a lot, this is perfect gift to find their luggage in airport while there is like 10 same style luggage. So yes, these are the Pinterest ideas I found. So you can literally make with the little window, and they can put a little card with their name or phone number if the luggage gets lost, or as well make with initials, or especially what they like. Even the granny square ones look adorable. And these are the tutorials I found on YouTube. Pretty good match for the inspo photos. So let's try to make them. I even found a little crochet chart for the luggage tag with the window. If you prefer more reading crochet charts more than watching tutorials or freehanding your projects, but if you don't understand the pattern itself or even those weird charts, there is some help, and Crafty can help you. Because Crafty is today's sponsor for this video. And I'm genuinely so excited about that because I've been exploring Crafty for such a long time. Crafty is basically an online home for all the things creative. There are even more than 2,000 lessons taught by award-winning instructors. Everything from crocheting, knitting, sewing, baking, cooking, cake decorating, and even photography. This is crazy. And all the classes are broken down into little lessons, so you can learn at your own pace in your own home. I have also started watching a few lessons by myself. And the reason I mentioned those crochet charts and patterns, there is such a truly amazing lesson on everything, how to read the pattern, all the abbreviations. The teacher is showing every stitch. So basically, you can learn almost everything about crochet in just one lesson. Even I found it interesting and helpful for myself because those crochet charts are looking scary to me as well. And I also found the cutest rabbit beanie, which I am 100% crocheting for my toddler niece. Have a look, isn't it cute? And there is Black Friday special. With my link, which will be down in the description, you can get 1 full year of Crafty for just $1.49. This is amazing, but it's only valid for new members only. All right, the next one is bookmarks. Are literally the best gift for those book lovers you have in your circle. There can be so many different designs. For example, like flat ones, more like a regular bookmark. Then those corner bookmarks made from granny square, and a little something cutesy. For example, like flowers or little plant leaves. So here it is. This will be a very cute and lovely accessory to have always with them. So these are the tutorials, really similar, and there is even a bunch of styles in one tutorial, so you can try them all, make them all, suit yourself. Number 4, scrunchies. Zero explanation needed. Just look at them. They are cute, they are wearable, and you can literally match any outfit. Even the highest well-known fashion brands are doing crochet scrunchies, so they are really fashionable. And here are the tutorials which match the inspos, and you can literally make them in just half an hour, basically. The next one, which I really like, is air warmer or a headband. And it's such a great gift for those who doesn't like beanies, but still wants to get cozy and warm during the winter. So have a look. I love those twisted ones. They are so adorable. I even made a few for myself. And here it is, some tutorials, which you can literally use and as well make it, I don't know, in under 1 hour. So it's easy and really nice to use some leftover yarn stash. The 6 are pot holders or kitchen cloths. And you can already see that this is literally my favorite one, because this is the definition of practical. Everyone uses them, everyone needs a new one, and you can literally add a pop of color to any interior. So these would be a great examples, a great tutorials for any gift for anyone, and they are also super beginner friendly if you are new to crochet. The next could be Sophie style mini scarf. I bet you already saw it everywhere. Even I am intrigued to make this for myself. It's so stylish. I bet every fashionista would like to have one in their wardrobe. Look at them. How you can style. They are looking adorable. They crochet up so fast, so it would be not so expensive gift to make. And the tutorials, literally, are the same as the original Sophie knit version. It's a must. It's definitely this season a must. Let's talk about beanies. This is the classic. It's timeless. Almost everybody wears them. Look, it's super cozy. If you want to give some coziness for your loved ones in this cold season, this is literally the most perfect gift. And there are such a good tutorials in different styles. For example, knit like crochet, which is my holy grail crochet tutorial. And we are over this beanie bunching at the top. So there is a bunch of tutorials with the flat top. And of course, a cat beanie. Why not? Neck warmer or balaclavas. It's like every year a huge trend. So balaclavas, snoods, chunky warmers, hoods looks great, feels great, and it's really easy to make. And people can look the most chic in this head covering. Or if you know a person who is always cold, this would be a great gift as well to make just the neck warmer. It looks amazing, it's perfect under the coats, and there are a bunch of tutorials, and these are the most favorite of mine. And finally, last but not least, market bags. This is one of my top tier list crochet projects which I love to make, and I love to gift them because they are eco-friendly, cute, super useful, People take them to grocery stores, farmers markets, beach, even to school, everywhere. So look, we have a bunch of different styles we can choose from. And here are a few tutorials which are matching our Pinterest ideas. And they are super easy to make, all beginner friendly. So if you are an absolute beginner, you can also try to make them and to gift for your loved ones. Alright, I hope you liked those 10 crochet gift ideas, and I gave you some inspiration for the Christmas season. All tutorials will be linked down in the description, and let me know in the comments which of these ideas are your favorite ones and which you will try to make. See you next time. Bye!